Here's how Hutchinson, part of TotalEnergies, increased their OEE from 42% to 75% without buying new machines. The key was real-time visibility with TeepTrak. Let me explain the transformation in under a minute. Before TeepTrak, Hutchinson was operating at 42% OEE. Reporting was manual, delayed, and operators had no real-time visibility. Losses were hidden, especially microstops and speed issues. TeepTrak was installed directly on the production lines with no downtime. It provided real-time visibility for operators and managers and revealed losses that were previously invisible. OEE increased from 42% to 75%, a gain of 33 points. Same machines, same teams. The change came from finally seeing what was really happening on the line. Immediate visibility meant immediate action. Operators were empowered, data was reliable, and improvement efforts were finally focused on the true root causes. This case shows that performance was already inside the factory. It was just invisible. Real-time visibility with TeepTrak made it possible to uncover it.